Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for this week is about setting up an Outlook calendar time off notification to your client. Having an approved time off is sometimes not enough to help us remember that you are on leave. To make sure that your client is well aware of your out of the office status, it is always best to create a calendar invitation as a notification. Here's how. Let's go ahead and open the Microsoft Outlook. Then go to your calendar and select the date. Set the subject as your name indicating on leave. Next, add your client as a recipient. Then make sure to set the time off date. If you will be out for more than a day, make sure to set the end date accordingly. And then this is important, enable the all day. In the description, you may want to add additional information. Hit that send button and you're all set. Your client will instantly notice this notification in their Outlook calendar. There you have it, quick and easy. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.